In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message your instructor on Udemy. Whether you're looking to clarify a point from a course, seek additional resources, or simply express your appreciation for a well-taught class, reaching out to your instructor is a valuable tool. Let's guide you through the steps to ensure you can communicate effectively with your course instructor. First, you'll want to access your Udemy dashboard. Begin by navigating to the Udemy website and logging into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, at the top of the page, look for the My Learning tab. Click on it, and this will take you directly to the list of all the courses you've enrolled in. This is your central hub for all your learning activities on the platform. Next, you may notice that only a few of your courses are initially visible. To find the specific course related to the instructor you want to message, you'll need to scroll down and locate the See More option. Clicking here will expand the view, displaying a more comprehensive list of your courses. This feature is particularly helpful if you're enrolled in multiple classes and need to locate a specific one. Now that you've located the relevant course in your list, the next step is to find the instructor's name. Generally, this information is displayed on the course's page. So, click on the course title to go to the course page. Once there, you should see the instructor's name somewhere on the page, often near the top next to the course title or description. Clicking on the instructor's name will take you to their profile page, where you can learn more about them. On the instructor's profile page, you may see an option to send a message. Look for a button or link that reads Send Message. This is typically located near the instructor's picture or at the bottom of their bio. Clicking this button will open up a messaging interface allowing you to compose and send your message directly to the instructor. Be sure to keep your message clear and concise, while also being polite. Introduce yourself, mention the course you're taking, and then clearly state your query or message. In some cases, instructors may also provide links to their social media profiles or external contact options. If you see social media icons like LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook on their profile, you might choose to contact them through these platforms as an alternative, assuming they encourage such contact. And there you have it, the simple steps to message your instructor on Udemy. Remember, communicating with your instructor can greatly enhance your learning experience, so don't hesitate to reach out if you need assistance or wish to share feedback. We hope you find this tutorial helpful, and we encourage you to make the most of your learning journey. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.